Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking about menstrual heat pad and how they can be relieved from menstrual pain. Guys, this is the blog I've written about. So I'm going to talk about menstrual heat pad and folding water bottle. Menstrual heat pads are designed to prevent smoothing heat to the abdomen area, which can heat to relieve the muscles and reduce pains. They are usually portable and easy to use, making them a convenient option for on-the-go relief. There are different types of menstrual heat pad available, including disposable pads that can be heated in the microwave and reusable pad that can be heated in boiling water or with a USB charger. Each type has its own benefits, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Using a menstrual heat pad is simple. Just heat it up according to the instruction and then place it. Okay, yeah, these are the key features. Adjustable temperature setting, which means you can adjust it. Long lasting heat, which means it can last for a long time. Comfortable design. Reusable and washable, which means you can reuse it again and also wash it. So let's click on this. So if I click on this, it takes us to the website where you can place your order. So now I'm going to click on it. So guys, now we are on Showground. So this is one of my products that I upload on this website on my shop page. So this is the product, menstrual heat pad, and it's just $25. So it's not that expensive, it's affordable. So these are the short description. So guys, you can also add to carts. Maybe you don't have the money yet, or you are saving up for the money. Maybe later you can. But guys, if you are ready to buy this product now, you can click on this. It's here, buy now, to place your order. So these are the description for this product. So now let's move to the next product on our blog. Now we are back to the blog.